Hello everyone and welcome back. Washing machine or laundry area may get cluttered and dirty if ignored and not organized properly. मैंने सभी वॉशिंग मशीन रिलेटेड लिक्विड्स और डिटर्जेंट्स वॉशिंग मशीन के ऊपर ही रखे थे, बट इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ क्लीनिंग एंड इट लुक्स डर्टी एंड cluttered. So I have decided to keep a rack in which I can arrange everything like fabric softener, detergent, liquid, etc. ये रैक काफ़ी ओल्ड है और कहीं भी यूज़ नहीं हो रहा था, तो मैंने इसको यहाँ पे यूटिलाइज़ किया है. Now things are looking organized and easy to grab at the time of washing clothes. Other important things which we always ignore are gardening tools, nails, hammers, etc. These things create lot of mess if not kept properly. नेल्स और बाकी दूसरी शार्प चीज़ें ओपनली रखना रिस्की हो सकता है और कई बार बच्चे भी इनको हाथ लगा सकते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप दीज टूल्स एंड शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्रॉपरली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. It's not necessary to always buy new organizers. You may also use your old broken containers and old tiffin boxes to keep all these things organized. I am also using old containers and old tiffin boxes to store these small items which are not advised to store in open. Also, I have some barbecue tools and gloves for which I have decided to hang on window so that the surface will remain clean and clutter free. I am using S hooks here on my window to hang these gloves and barbecue rack. मेरे पास ये रोटी छन्नी पड़ी हुई थी जो ब्रोकन है, उसमें मैंने ये कपड़े सुखाने वाली क्लिप्स यूज़ की हैं और मैं यहाँ पे बाकी सामान भी हैंग कर रही हूँ. यूज़ योर वर्टिकल स्पेस एज मच एज पॉसिबल टू ऑर्गेनाइज थिंग्स so that your surface will remain clean and free for remaining other items to store. For keeping your home organized, you can check Miralink website for various hanging organizer. There are variety of such organizers available. I will be providing you link of various such vertical organizer. You can use them to organize your home. Miralink is perfect for buying various kitchen and household product at very reasonable rates. Miralink will provide you free delivery, free cash on delivery and very easy returns in 5 days. Do check out the website and avail many offers and discounts daily. You can also shop through WhatsApp link. All links and other details are provided in the video's description. Don't forget to check. हमारे साथ कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कुकर या कढ़ाई के हैंडल्स लूज़ हो जाते हैं और इनको फिक्स करने के लिए आपको सामान यहाँ वहाँ सर्च करना पड़ता है. आई ऑलवेज कीप फ्यू थिंग्स हैंडी लाइक these tools which helps to make hole or to clean cooker pathway, pen, cutter, screwdriver and a safety pin. You must be thinking कि ये सभी चीज़ों का किचन में क्या काम? Believe me, these tools will surely help you many times for cleaning and fixing things. As I said, try to use vertical space for organizing things as much as possible. This hanging organizer you can use anywhere in your home. You can hang it on your kitchen window and use it as a cup organizer, or you may also hang it on any wall, even for kitchen towels or many other things you can hang on this holder. You may also use it on your entryway to hang keys, bags, umbrellas, etc. This wooden hanger is multi-purpose, can be used in any room and very strong enough to hold the weight. We all know that trays can be used to organize various containers on our kitchen countertop. By keeping all these containers, sometimes these trays get spoiled and dirty if we keep things directly on these trays. Use any old cloth or fabric and spread it on your tray before placing any container. This way your tray will remain clean and you can change the fabric whenever it gets dirty. Indian dresses like सलवार कुर्ता सेट sometimes get misplaced. कभी मैचिंग दुपट्टा नहीं मिलता है तो कभी कभी कुर्ता और सलवार अलग अलग रखने के कारण मिसप्लेस हो जाते हैं. Try to fold your kurta salwar set together along with their dupattas and keep them together in a basket. Your Indian dress set will never get misplaced and will remain organized always, and it will keep your wardrobe also in proper way. I hope you liked these organizational ideas I shared with you in this video and hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching my video. Consider subscribing my channel.